Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to do another tiny unboxing. So we have this TWS, and this one is from well-known brand Lenovo. This TWS released back in 2021 or 22. So the model number of this TWS, as you can see here, ThinkPlus LivePods LP80. So these are not really that good TWS, but I bought them for $3. So if they works, that's it actually. I don't really expect much from this TWS. And by the way, I did bought $1 TWS, as you can see here. These are from unknown brand. I did try them, they do work. Sound quality is pretty garbage, but for $1 you can't really complain. And for $3 for this well-known brand product, I think they will be usable. Obviously, you're not going to get good sound quality out of these TWS, but they will be usable. So the specification, as you can see here, each of the buds got 30 mAh battery, and the case got 300 mAh battery. So all are written here. And by the way, the production date of this live pods, as you can see here, from 2023-05. Usually, if you buy any kind of electronics, you should buy something which produced recently. If you buy the old product, sometimes they don't really work because of having the lithium batteries. They degrade over time, and sometimes you can't really work them by charging them. So that's why if you buy something, check that. So let's unbox and see. So as you can see here, this one is seal packed. They are well packed actually. And so the packaging quality is good. And inside, so we are getting the manual, Chinese and English. I hope I don't really need to use this. And our TWS, so as you can see inside the box, there are a few things here, and the Type-C cable. So keep this thing aside. Let's see the TWS. As you can see here, that looks good actually. So I have the white color one, as you can see here. That looks good. And here we are getting Type-C port, and the case is actually transparent. And if I open it, as you can see, and they're good. Not really bad for $3 product. So good. There is no button at all. Maybe you have to take them out like this, and they will be pairable. So the AirPods, as you can see here, the ports are something like this, pretty much similar to Apple's AirPods, but the plastic quality is not really that good. For $3, you can't really complain. As you can see here, the seams and everything. I think they don't really have any charge. I have to charge them.
2,000 years later.
So I have been charging these pods around 10 minutes now. As you can see, the lights is blinking, and there are blue lights on the pods. Both of them have blue lights. So let's try to connect them. So I will use my trusty Nokia C1. Let's unplug and see. Bluetooth, pair new device. So if I open this, as you can see here, it is showing ThinkPlus LP80. I try to connect, pair, and they are connected. So they have 80% of charge. That's pretty surprising actually. It's too fast. And oh, they are pretty warm now. They are still connected. Let's try to play something and check the quality. So the music is on, and I can hear them actually. Both of them working. Let's try the touch buttons. So they are working, as you can see here. We can play pause. Let's try to hold. No, we cannot increase volume maybe. Maybe you can hear them now. Like it up.
Time is barely on our side.
And they are working. So as you can see here, they are not exactly like AirPods, a little bit different, but they feel really cheap.
Eternity later.
Actually, they are pretty comfortable. The sound quality is not really that good, but for $3, you can't really complain. They are pretty decent actually, not really bad. I think this was a pretty decent buy for $3. You can't go wrong with this. I don't really know how long you can use them. I have no idea about the battery backup of these pods. Maybe 2 hours when you are listening continuously, and if you charge them, maybe three times you can charge with this case. Sound quality is not really garbage. Obviously, not like high-end earphones, but for $3, you can't really go wrong with this TWS. I really like them. They're really comfortable actually. One thing which is bad about this earpods or the design is not really good. Like if you keep them and when you try to take them out, as you can see here, my finger is like not letting me take them out, so a little bit uncomfortable when you try to take them out. You have to use from this side and this side, and that works really well. The case is transparent. I think it's going to be yellowish after some time, but pretty decent. The quality is not really that good. Like it is a cheap TWS, you can feel that, but they're working and they're pretty decent actually. Are value for money. So that's all about LP80 TWS from Lenovo. Not bad for $3. You can try them out. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.